All right, so it's July 21st around 10 a.m. By the time you see this video, there's only going to be about 10 hours left for you to pick up this Thumbium tool by Chris Derenberger. This is the last day that you'll be able to get it. They extended it by a day. So I decided to make another video about it because they actually did make some updates as well. There was major platform updates. It improves the overall quality of every thumbnail. It reduces the crop text by 90%. The text was cropped a little bit sometimes, and produces bolder, more visually striking text overlays right here. Another thing I wanted to address is some of you had questions about, well, what if you get the agency plan? So you come over here to this link, get more thumbnails. You can always go to this link here to upgrade your account. Now you can see right over here that there's a hobby and a business and an agency plan, right? And they all come with different amount of thumbnails. Now, if you're on an agency plan, it really doesn't matter. If you're on the hobby plan and you want to add like more thumbnails, you can actually buy these plans again. So each time, think about this kind of like an AppSumo thing. You're stacking codes if you buy, because it says it right here, the new package links to your account and stacks on top of what you already have. So for example, hobby plus business on the same email gives you 150, right? So if you picked up the hobby plan and you're like, I don't quite want to go to 250, but I do want to add another extra 100 thumbnails. I don't want to spend 50 bucks, but I can see myself spending another $29 and really upping it. Like if you're only using like 60 thumbnails per month, then just adding the $29 package is fine, right? And then at any time, if you wanted to add even more, or you want to become an agency, you just add the package that you need. So you can stack these. You can buy the same package twice, and that stacks. So if you are an agency plan at $250 and then your agency grows, which is really great, and you need to add more to your account, you just go and add another agency plan for another $49. And then now you would have 500 thumbnails every single month. So hopefully that clears that up. I had more than one person ask that question. When you add more thumbnails than just the agency, yeah, you absolutely can. And remember, this is a lifetime deal. You only have to pay one time. You do have to put your OpenAI. I also had that question a lot. Was I have all these other API keys and large language model providers and all this stuff, and do I have to use OpenAI? Answer to that question is absolutely yes, you do. You have to use an OpenAI account in order to use the tool. That's what it's built on. And I agree with that because that is the best image generator for thumbnails, period, in the world right now. Way better than Nano. Nano Banana 2 held the reins for a while, for about 6 to 12 months. ChatGPT didn't just do a little bit better. It like doubled. It's way better. So you wouldn't really want to use anything else for your thumbnails anyway. Hopefully that answers your questions. Now let's go and test this out. So let's just say we're going to say review, and we're going to make a thumbnail right here. And I'm going to come through here and we're going to really use the imagery right over here. And let me just say that I've been talking back and forth with Chris, what I just mentioned to him, and hopefully he'll get a response here soon. But for me personally, the typography in the testing, I understand that to make a viral thumbnail or a good clickable thumbnail, you really don't want more than about 5 words. And so that's what they're recommending. That is good and solid information. But sometimes for someone like me, a content creator that does software reviews or something like that, or product reviews, I might want to do like product X review and then have a subheading underneath it that says something about this AI tool does this or something like that, right? So like a little bit more context, or maybe if your thumbnail is just text focused, or you already have an audience and you can get away with putting a little bit more text on your thumbnails, having a sub headline or a subtext or something like that would be really cool. I don't see anywhere in here where we can really explain it. I think I've tried in the idea prompt over here, but all this up here, it does not impact any text font on your thumbnail whatsoever. It's only right here. And that's good because it's a very strict proprietary kind of set of rules that they've built for the tool to work and perform consistently, which I like that. Hopefully they can add in a sub overlay text section, maybe down here, something like that. So we'll see if they maybe add that in there as well for my unique situation. So I'm going to go over here and let's just do like subject. So we will go and grab an image of myself real quick. I'm just going to go over here to a profile shot. Let's just use this one right here. So let's just say we use that. We also have product. So I'm going to go and grab this product. Let's go see if I can grab the screenshot right over here. That's a review or an image that I made. Okay, so I don't see it. I did have that over here. So what I'm going to do is, as I'm making this video for you right now, Chris just got back to me on my other screen. He says, good idea. Let me see what I can do. So he literally just basically agreed that that was a good idea to be able to add another set of text for a subtext or subheadline. He's going to go ahead and let his developer know. So just like that, they improve the software. If it makes sense and it's a good idea, they're going to put it to work and they're going to make adjustments right away. I got to the end of the video and almost forgot about my actual bonus for Thumbium. So if you do pick up Thumbium with the link below, you get access to my brand new software. It's a $100 value. This is ClickSpark AI. It's based on the latest, greatest frameworks from some really popular companies that study thousands and thousands of YouTube videos, and they find out exactly what types of titles and the formats and the formula and the frameworks that actually work and get clicks in browse, suggested, and your homepage feeds. And so I built ClickSpark AI based on that. You'll put in your title, your working title, or just an idea that you have for a YouTube video, and it will come up with all kinds of really great YouTube titles, perfect titles for you. So it's not just like it's not like going to Claude and just saying, hey, here's my video, create titles for me. Claude will do a pretty good job, but this is based on a bunch of different data sets and then using AI to analyze your subject and then place it in the frameworks and then spit out amazing thumbnail titles. So you'll get this for free as a bonus of saying thank you for picking up Thumbium with my link. Super cool. Let me go over here. I'm just going to right click. I'm going to take a screenshot of just what I want. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to selected portion, and I'll just grab this portion right here. We'll copy that. We'll come back into Thumbium and we will add that as the product. So we'll go over here to the pictures section. We'll grab that right there and go like that. And then background, let's go and add a background this time, which I haven't used all three of these elements before. I'm going to come over here. I have this tagged for LearnWire on my computer. Come over here, grab, I want that. I want the green background right here. So now we have the green background that you've seen on a lot of my thumbnails, the way I used to do my thumbnails for, gosh, 2-3 years probably. I just recently started just really using AI for my thumbnails. And that's just kind of where we're at. They just create really good thumbnails, way better than Canva and way better than I could do myself in Photoshop. But I'm going to go ahead and see. So we've got all that right there. I don't really need to do anything right there. This is if you want to describe exactly what to do. So let's just say man with look on face, remove no microphone, and then I'm going to no background. I don't want to confuse it, but I'm going to say now text, he is on right side, text on left side, and product image under text. Something like that, right? So we'll try that out. Now, what we want to put here is, we'll say a coddle review as a coddle review. And then we have auto position. I'm going to leave all that right there. I'm going to go with large font and see what it does there. Now you have a text reference and a gallery. We have these other thumbnail types over here. We have clean. I'm just going to select clean for this one. And we can go over here to image type. And I'm going to say photo reel on this one. And then there is a medium and a high. I'm going to do 2 variations of medium. And then there's a decorative accents. Why not? Let's add that. So this is going to cost us all but 14 cents. Generate the thumbnails and it's getting started. We'll be right back. Okay, so let's go and see what we've got. I'll come up here to it used to be across the top. Now everything's just on the left. So you just go over here to gallery real quick. And then we'll be able to see our new thumbnails for a coddle review right here. And we can go take a look at that. So a coddle review, there is literally the screenshot with that. I'm holding that product in my hand, curious and looking at it. That's actually really cool. Now, I think those accent eye designs are like these little dots right here, or it might even be those things right there, the little icons and stuff. Let's go see the other one right over here. And we have this one right over here, and you can see I literally looking. Now what you can do is you can do some really cool stuff, right? So you could either come over here, you can edit this with AI, you can do all kinds of stuff in here. You can also go over to the remixer tab and you could go and you can remix an image. So you could, subject to add. So this is the place where if you want to take a screenshot or download an existing thumbnail of maybe a similar video or creator that you like, you would upload that image here, and then you would add a subject right here. And then you would say, remix, and you can put some other changes right over here. So maybe I'll try that one as well and see what we can get with that. But remember, you have the remixer as well, and you can come over here better. They're both really cool, but I'm going to go with this one right here. What we could do is come through here and just say we want 2 more variations, match the original, use my own text, let AI new headlines, and then you could just say this right here. But what I want to do actually is I want to go over to YouTube real quick. Cool. So I open up this video over here. It's got a lot of views. It's doing really well. And I have an idea for the Akaddle versus like Kajabi, right? So let's say we come over here and we like the thumbnail. We're just going to go like this. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to download the thumbnail. And then we're going to go back into and we're going to do a remix, right? So I'm actually going to unselect that remixer. And then I want to add the image that we just downloaded, right? So I'm going to go over here to downloads. I'm going to grab the thumbnail that I like. I'm going to replace that with, we're going to go back over here to images, and we'll go and grab a, screenshot. So a profile pic, right, of myself. And then what I'm going to do is let's just test this out with 10 variations. The original. And I'm just going to say, so I divide it with Akaddle, so we might try it on that other one. And I'm going to also take this down to just 4 right there. So I'm going to try this out, see if this actually works, and push remix, and we'll come right back. So it says that it's finished. We're going to go to gallery and look at the 4 variations. Okay, so we've got this. So a couple of it did get right. We'll go click on this right here. So we've got a Kajabi and a Akaddle AI right there. So these would actually be really cool thumbnails. We just need, like this one right over here, I think it's got Kajabi is definitely correct, but we just don't have the Akaddle with the 3 lines right there. That's the part. So what we would need to do is come in here and maybe pick one. So maybe we have this one right there. That looks cool. Or maybe this one right here. Even the Kajabi right there. So then let's just say we come in here and we go to edit, and then we add this. Let's go like this. Take a little screenshot of the here. I'm going to copy that, come back into Thumbium, select the photo, go to pictures and the icon Akaddle. And then I'm going to just say, switch out the Akaddle AI icon with the attached subject. Keep everything else the same. You could also say Akaddle change text to the same green color as the icon. We can go with medium, high, and you can see these are really good even using the medium version, which is just really like pennies, right? This is going to cost 4 cents. Now we can apply this edit for 0.06 cents. Edit started, we'll be right back. So it's done. It took like 45 seconds. And here we go. We have Kajabi versus Akaddle. We have the icon right there. We have the icon of Kajabi, and there's our finished product. Now, if we don't like the shocked look on my face, I can just say, hey, be curious or be more professional or something like that. But this actually, like the pink border around, really like the 3D text and all that, really cool stuff. Like something, I couldn't do this in Photoshop, right? And you're not going to get this in Canva because this is brand new and it's not going to be done quite like this, right? So really, really cool. But maybe you don't like the pink around that. Maybe you want to make that white, something like that, right? So you just use edits, and it literally costs just a penny or less to do an edit. So the edits are very, very cheap inside the tool. Here are a bunch of these thumbnails that I've created using the tool so far. So remember, you can pick up and you could grow this. You could get 1,000 per month if you want. You'll always know how much you have left right here. This is the last day. The pricing on all this is going to go up. So this is the day to go and actually upgrade your account. If you need a thumbnail tool, highly recommend it. Chris's products are great. They stay alive. Really, out of all of his tools that have come out, there's only been like one that I can remember that actually stopped work. They stopped developing because of APIs and limitations on, was the one about Medium where you could automatically post to Medium. And that was really not his fault, like to shut it down because the API would no longer work because Medium rejected that. All of his other tools work flawlessly. They're updated, maintained. You can definitely, you will get this access if you actually purchase Thumbium with my link below, the $100 bonus, and go watch my original Thumbium review to get a full walkthrough on my brand new ClickSpark AI software, where you can go and put in what your video is going to be about, and it will use the latest, greatest frameworks on how the software is based on. And so it will create 10 really, really great YouTube titles that are optimized, perfect for you-based titles. So you get access to this if you pick up Thumbium, even the $17 purchase below. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.